Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, it will be sponsored by Hermosahair. They went ahead and sent me a 13x4 straight lace frontal wig, and it is in 26 inches as well as 220 density. I'm loving the sleek silkiness and shine that this hair has. I love how easy it is to just do that, and y'all could see like the luster. I've yet to put any product in there whatsoever, so this is all off the strength of the hair, its natural texture and shine, so I'm loving it. And if you would like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And let me go ahead and stop rambling. Let's jump into today's tutorial, because I'm going to show you guys how to get your hair to look like this. As you can see, she's giving, the lace has been melted. So let's jump into today's tutorial. Okay loves, so this is the final look. This wig is from Hermosahair, and they decided to send me a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is in 26 inches, so it goes all the way down here, and it is apparently in 220 density. This is their 220 density, and child, it's cute or whatever, but it's not as thick as I expect 220 density to be, but I'm guessing it's all in the length, so if it's 220 density, it's 220 density, honey. But so far so good. In terms of straightening, the hair straightens like a gem. Plucking was super easy, super duper easy. I love the silkiness and shine to this hair, and honestly it's giving what it's supposed to give. So if you would like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So definitely do not forget to go ahead and check it out and shop with Hermosahair. The hair is really sleek and I'm living for it right now. So thank you so much, Hermosa, for sending me this gorgeous wig. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.